Can we remove the end-to-end encryption in Messenger? Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. End-to-end encryption in Messenger ensures that you and your person you're communicating can only read the messages. This feature is designed to enhance the privacy and security. However, if you want to remove or disable it, you should know that Facebook does not provide a direct way to turn this off for individual conversation once enabled. Instead, you could use the regular or non-encrypted chats. For this, you can avoid using the one with the log and start a new conversation. For this, first of all, delete the end to end encrypted conversation. Click on the search bar, start a fresh conversation, and it should be not end to end encrypted. You can also start a new chat thread by doing so. However, end to end encryption cannot be completely disabled from Facebook Messenger itself as it is app's inbuilt functionality. So this is all for today's video. For more such contents, do not forget to hit the like and subscribe button. Thank you and keep watching.